Welcome to an in-depth tutorial on understanding email deliverability. Email marketing continues to be a highly effective tool for businesses to engage with their target audience. Sending personal emails is different, but simply creating a visually appealing email is not sufficient when it comes to broadcasting to a larger group. It is important to understand various factors that affect email deliverability to ensure that your messages do not land in spam, as emails landing in spam not only hampers user engagement but also disrespects everyone's effort, time, and money. Initially, the email deliverability practices may seem daunting due to the multiple elements involved. However, once you grasp and implement these practices, your email marketing efforts can yield remarkable results. In this tutorial, we'll cover email deliverability factors such as authentication protocols, sender reputation, subscription preferences, content quality, email sending infrastructure, troubleshooting deliverability issues, and best practices. Authentication protocols helps you maintain a healthy domain reputation, which leads to increase in your email deliverability. The sender domain is the domain associated with the email address from which an email is sent. For example, in the email address john@example.com. Example.com is the sender domain. The authentication protocols verify the legitimacy of email senders, which increases the email deliverability rate. These protocols include SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. SPF specifies which mail servers are authorized to send emails. DKIM adds a digital signature to the email header to validate the authenticity of the email's content. DMARC serves as a set of guidelines established by domain owners to determine the course of action when SPF and DKIM authentication verifications are unsuccessful. All these authentication protocols work together to establish the legitimacy of an email sender and enhance trust between senders and recipients. Sender reputation. Authentication protocols do maintain your domain reputation, but there are various other metrics you need to keep in check to increase your sender reputation. These metrics include spam rate. It refers to the percentage of emails sent from your domain that are marked as spam by recipients. Your spam rate should not exceed 0.3%. The bounce rate, including hard bounces, only measures the percentage of emails sent from your domain that are returned as undeliverable. Your bounce rate should be less than 5%. Engagement metrics, such as open rate and click rate, provide insights into how recipients interact with your emails. Ideally, the open and click rate should be maintained at more than 20 to 30%. Lastly, email volumes also affect the sender reputation. Sending large amounts of emails all at once, especially when your email domain is new, raises red flags among ISP, reducing your sender reputation. Therefore, following the warm-up and ramp-up practices are important. Warm-up involves gradually increasing your email sending volume and establishing a positive sender reputation when using a new domain. Meanwhile, ramp-up refers to the process of gradually increasing your email sending volume and frequency over time, regardless of whether you're using a new domain address or an existing one. Maintaining a positive sender reputation requires a proactive approach to keep your spam and bounce rate as low as possible, optimizing your engagement metrics, and following the warm-up and ramp-up process. Subscription preferences. User subscription preferences also play a crucial role in keeping the spam rate in control. This includes obtaining user consent for communication and providing easy mechanisms for unsubscribing. Asking user consent to subscribe. When inviting users to subscribe to your email list, it's crucial to obtain their explicit consent to receive communications from your organization, such as clear opt-in process, transparent privacy policy, and terms and conditions. Ability to choose communication preferences and frequency of emails. And double opt-in confirmation, where users are required to confirm their subscription via a verification email. Unsubscribe link in email. Including an unsubscribed link in your email communications is not only a legal requirement under regulations like CAN-SPAM, but also a best practice for maintaining positive user experiences and preserving sender reputation. Content quality. Quality of your email content is also very important for email deliverability. To improve the content quality of your email, consider maintaining the following factors: HTML to text ratio, formatting, or relevance to target audience. A/B testing. HTML to text ratio. Fully designed and graphical emails are also not good for deliverability, as spam filters often treat these as marketing emails. To avoid this, maintain at least 60 to 40 text to HTML ratio. Formatting. This effective formatting enhances readability and engagement. Keep your email content clear, concise, and easy to digest. For rich HTML emails, use headings, subsections, short descriptions, and engaging images. Use formatting techniques such as font size, color, and styling to create a visual hierarchy that guides recipients' attention to the most important information and calls to action within your email. Ensure that your email content is mobile responsive and displays properly on various screen sizes and devices. Relevance to target audience. Tailoring your email content to the interests, preferences, and needs of your target audience is essential for driving engagement and maximizing deliverability. For this, you can segment your users based on their demographics, behavior, or purchase history, and then target these segments specifically to keep your emails relevant and personalized. A/B testing. With A/B testing, you can send different variations of your original email and select the one that's performing the best. Email sending infrastructure. Email sending infrastructure includes the reputation of your IP address, and it plays a crucial role in email deliverability. NotifyVisitors maintains a single reputable IP address and shares the same with other businesses. In simpler terms, all emails of our clients goes from a same reputable IP address, leading to higher email deliverability. Troubleshooting deliverability issues. Troubleshooting deliverability issues is essential for maintaining a positive sender reputation and ensuring that your emails reach recipients' inboxes. To troubleshoot your email deliverability issues, you can utilize Google's Postmaster tool. It provides data on domain reputation and multiple diagnostic tools to check your delivery status, spam classification, and more. Best practices. Regularly monitor and clean your email list. Avoid sending to purchase lists. Consistent content types. Mixing different types of content in the same email message can confuse recipients and negatively impact engagement. For example, avoid mixing promotional content with transactional or informational content. Mastering email deliverability is essential for businesses looking to maximize the effectiveness of their email marketing efforts. If you're looking for more information on this topic, kindly go to support.notifyvisitors.com to check out our knowledge base guides. Or click link provided in the description box below. And if you need any additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@notifyvisitors.com. We're here to assist you.